In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage offline files in OneDrive. If you travel, work in places with spotty internet, or simply want immediate access to your files at any time, making your OneDrive content available offline is a smart move. We'll walk through where to click and what to expect so you can confidently keep your files on your device. Start by moving your mouse to the lower right corner of your Windows desktop. This is the notification area right next to the clock. If you don't see all your icons, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. It may appear as a white or blue cloud depending on your theme. Click that icon to open the OneDrive menu. Next, click on Settings. You'll typically find this as a small gear icon in the OneDrive panel. This opens the controls for your OneDrive app. If a OneDrive window appears with multiple sections, choose Settings there as well. This ensures you're in the full settings view where the sync and storage options live. Inside the settings window, select sync and backup from the left-hand side. This area controls how files move between the cloud and your device, and it's where you decide whether files are kept online only or stored locally. Now, click on Advanced Settings. This section contains the more detailed controls for how OneDrive handles your files behind the scenes, including options that affect offline availability. Finally, choose Download All Files. This tells OneDrive to store a local copy of every file in your OneDrive, making them available even when you have no internet connection. Depending on how many files you have and your connection speed, this may take some time. It's normal to see the OneDrive icon show syncing activity while it works. A few tips as this runs. Make sure you have enough free disk space to hold your files since bringing everything offline uses local storage. If you're on a laptop, keep it plugged in so syncing doesn't pause due to low power. If your connection is limited, consider doing this on a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid data caps. While downloading, you can continue using your computer. OneDrive will work in the background. You can check progress by clicking the OneDrive icon. Items with a solid checkmark are fully available offline. That's it. By navigating to the lower right notification area, opening OneDrive, going into Settings, selecting Sync and Backup, opening Advanced Settings, and choosing Download All Files, you've ensured your OneDrive content is ready whenever and wherever you need it.